You're looking at 2020 Toyota Corolla. Today we're gonna replace this turn signal to the front. Okay, up front, turn signal. First thing first, what you're gonna do, you see the yellow? Go behind directly, right behind it. You will see that's what you're gonna take off to turn. Okay, let me do it again. You see the yellow right there? Go behind, right directly behind. You see that? That's what you're gonna turn. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're gonna go left. Okay, this one right here. Okay, so we're gonna go left, turn it left to loosen him up, then pull it out. Voila. So that's the bad one. What you're gonna do to the bad one, you're just gonna yank it out. Pull him out. Put your ass into it. Blow. And then we're gonna replace it with the new one. So this is the new one. You're just gonna stick it like in there like it's hot. Stick it, push it down, plow. Now what you're gonna do, make sure you line it up. This skinny, you see the 4-star to make your life easy. Voila, turn right to tighten, turn left to loosen, right to tighten them up. So we're gonna check this out, make sure it works. We're gonna put it on test. We're gonna turn the signal to left. Since the front left's not working, now it is working. Voila, easy greasy lemon squeezy. Don't forget to subscribe, yo.